Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you find the link of your Excel file that you have created via the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and then you should tap on this home button that you can find on the left side corner of the screen at the top. Then go to the right side and tap on this share button. Click on copy link and in a few seconds you will be able to find the link of your Excel file in the middle of the screen. Tap on copy and as you can see it has been copied to Linkboard, so you can share it to anyone and then they will be able to open the Excel file. If you tap on this button below the link, you can set whether those people who are in possession or who own your link, the link of your Excel file, they can edit it or only view it. So select in the more settings section and then you can also set the date and set a password to it. Then click on the apply button and then it will be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.